Lesson 16: Can, could, and be able to. 1. Using can for ability, possibility, and permission. We use can to say that something is possible, allowed, or that somebody has the ability to do something. We use can plus infinitive. Can do, can see, can speak. Examples: we can see the lake from our hotel. You can use my pen. Or can you speak any foreign languages? 2. Be able to. We often use be able to instead of can, especially when we need other tenses, because can has only two forms: can present and could past. Examples: I'm afraid I can't home to the party, or I haven't been able to sleep recently, or Tom might be able to come tomorrow. 3. Could for past ability and senses. We use could to talk about general ability in the past, or with verbs like see, hear, smell, feel, remember, understand. Examples: my grandfather could speak 5 languages, or we could see the lake from our room, or I couldn't hear very well at the back of the theater. 4. Could versus was, were, able to, succeeded in a situation. We use could for general ability, but was, were able to, or managed to when somebody succeeded in doing something in one specific situation. Examples: Jack could beat anybody when he was younger. General ability. But yesterday Jack managed to beat Andy. Specific success. Or everybody was able to escape from the fire. 5. Negative couldn't. We can use couldn't in all situations for both general inability and failure in a specific situation. Examples: my grandfather couldn't swim, or I looked everywhere but I couldn't find Max. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!